Yes.
Yes, Isaac?
I have a question on number 4 on the last two questions.
Okay, let me scroll up there. Okay, yeah. What are your questions?
I need help on the when and it was the last two of 4.
Oh, okay. When an applied force,
Number
force of
4.
friction,
Yeah.
the last two. Yes, okay. So, when an applied force or a force of friction does not cause the sofa to move, the forces are balanced or unbalanced. So, the way I explained it in class earlier was that if you have a couch and it's sitting on the floor, obviously, your applied force would be you pushing the couch to move it, and the force of friction would be the floor, or whatever you want to say would be in between, touching, rubbing, causing a resistance of movement. Therefore, when a blank type of friction does not cause a sofa to move, that would be the force that's resisting. The two forces are balanced or unbalanced. So, what do you think? What type of force would it be?
Um,
Which force
I think
resisted?
applied force.
So, if we have the couch and I'm trying to move it, what is resisting me? The opposite friction, right? The friction,
Yeah.
the force of friction. Therefore, it would be when a force of friction does not cause a sofa to move, the two forces are. Would that be balanced or unbalanced? If something is just staying still, it's not moving.
Balance.
Yes. And then for the next one here, the sofa will move only when the blank force becomes greater than the blank force. What do you think for that one?
For the fourth one.
Yep.
I think force of friction.
So the force of friction is what's resisting. The sofa will only move when.
The applied force
Right. So
becomes greater than the force of friction.
yes. So when I'm moving a couch, I have to push harder than the force that's fighting against me. So it will only move when I push harder, when my force is greater, the applied force. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Just a reminder, guys, in about 5 minutes, we'll be coming back together to take a look at the discussion board activity, okay? All right, you guys, let's come back so we can take a look at this discussion board activity. Everybody turn your cameras on, please. Thank you. Levi, your camera's broken. I'm sorry, dude. Isaac and Luke. Okay, perfect, guys. All right, I'm going to present so you guys can see my screen. All right. You are going to want to click on modules, and you should see Effective Forces discussion board activity. Hit that, and it will bring you here. You are going to create a new discussion board post. In your post, write your first and last name along with first period for science. You'll read this prompt right here and write your response. It should be at least 5 complete sentences. Once you have posted, you need to wait until enough students have responded, and you'll want to go and reply to at least 2 students. One whose answer you think is incorrect, incomplete, or just kind of confusing. Include your thoughts as to why you feel that way, and go find another post where the answer is, crystal clear to you. You really like it, you agree with it, reply to it, describe why you think that, and then read through a few more posts just to kind of see where your peers are, and yeah, make sure you guys have this done and turned in by first period tomorrow. For this prompt right here, you will want a formula. So I'm just going to walk you through this so you have what you need. So writing out Newton's second law in your own words. Newton's second law of motion. The acceleration of an object depends on the amount of the force acting on it and the object's mass. Write this formula down. You will need it in order to complete this post or for it to make sense to you. Acceleration is the force divided by mass, okay? And in here, the force is 60, the mass is 30. Make sure you guys have this somewhere so that you can use it, okay? Go ahead and begin this discussion board activity. If you're confused at all, ask for help, okay? Try to do your very best, but if you need help, ask, okay? We will end class at 9:38. Like I said earlier, whatever work you guys did not get to finish in class, finish before tomorrow, okay? All right, guys, it's 9:38. You are dismissed. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.